songs and stories, heroes of renown, the passing tales and glories. Once was Dublin town, households and houses, the hunting children's rhymes. That once was Dublin city in the rare old times. Ring, ring, Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. My name, it is John Dempsey, as Dublin as you please. Born hard late in Pimlico, in a house that ceased to be. By trade I was a grouper, lost out to redundancy. Like my house it fell to progress, my trade to memory. And I courted Peggy Dykeman, as pretty as you please, who rode and a child of Mary from the rebels' liberties. I lost her to a student chap with skin as black as coal, when he took her off to Birmingham. She took away my soul. Ring, ring, Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in rare old times. How the years have made me bitter, the gargles dimmed me brain, for Dublin keeps on changing, nothing seems the same. The Metropole and Pillar gone, the Royal went since pulled down. Oh, the grey, unyielding concrete makes the city of my town. Ring, ring, Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. Pretty well, my Anne Liffey, I can no longer stay and watch the new glass cages spring up along the quay. My mind's too full of memories, too old to hear new chimes. I'm a part of what was Dublin in the rare old times. Ring, ring, Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city in the rare old times. Ring, ring, Rosie, as the light declines, I remember Dublin city